Want Befunky on your phone? Let's get it installed quickly and easily. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can see the search bar at the top. Tap on it. Now type Befunky Photo Editor. Look for the official app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on it to begin the installing. Depending on your connection, this should only take a few seconds to a minute. Once it's downloaded, tap open to launch Befunky right away. You will land on the welcome screen where you can sign up or log in. If the app won't download, make sure your device's software is updated and you have enough storage space available. Are you team Android or iPhone? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.